Max, what book do you want?
Grandma's book.
Grandma's book?
Grandma's book, okay. All right, all right,
Is that Grandma Hampman?
Yeah.
all right.
Hello, Maxon. It's Grandma Hampman. I'm going to read a story to you. All the ways I love you. Listen careful.
Listen careful now.
I love you quicker than a minute. I love you longer than an hour. I love you like the honeybee loves buzzing round a flower.
Bzzz.
I love you stronger than the wind. I love you softer than a cloud.
Yes.
I love you when you are quiet, and I love you when you're loud. I love you closer than your shadow. I love you further than the sun. I love you too when raindrops fall, one by one by one. I love you round and round the world. I love you through and through. And when it seems impossible to love you more, I do. Good night, Maxon.
Good night, Grandma. Can you say good night, Grandma? That's right. The little bear is Maxon, and that's supposed to be Grandma Hampman. Yes. Can you say good night? Look at Mama. Say good night. Good night, Grandma.